Hi my loves, how you all doing? I hope you guys are all fine. Welcome back to my channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to be updating you on my skin prep before makeup. So I made a video previously on how to prep your skin before makeup, and in today's video I'm going to be updating you on how to prep your skin before makeup, because makeup changes every time they update things about makeup, and I feel like it would be unfair if I don't update you guys on my skin prep, because things have changed. So that's why I am making this video, to update you guys on my skin prep. You guys should not worry, it's nothing much, it's not too different from the last one. It's just like, you need to step up your game to make your makeup nice. Okay, to start with, in my previous video I said you should use your micellar water to clean your face before the makeup using this cotton pad. But recently the update I got is that you can either wash your face with your I use Cerave because that's what I use to wash my face, or if you have vitamin C clean wash, you can use it to wash your face. So cut the long story short, you can wash your face before you start your makeup. But if you know that you're somewhere where you can't wash your face, or you don't have the time to wash your face, then you can use this micellar water. I'm not going to put this out of my makeup, out of my skin prep, because it's very, very important. So you can always still use this to clean your face. But because I've washed my face, as you can see, my face is looking so dry and white. That's because I just washed it. So you just have to use this. You don't want to remove it. You use it to clean your face before makeup because it's very good. It removes all dirt. So after washing your face, you want to hydrate your face. You just want that face to be hydrated. So I'm not still going to take this my hydrating mist away. So you want to spray your face. So you wait for this to dry. So while waiting for this to dry, guys, I really want to appreciate you all for supporting my channel, for liking my video, for watching my video, for sharing my video. I've seen you guys, I can see what you guys are doing, and you guys are requesting for video. In fact, I've been so lazy to upload a new video, but you guys keep asking me, when next are you uploading, when next are you uploading? And you guys made me understand that you like everything on skin, beauty, and that is what I am giving you, and I'll keep giving you. We are still waiting for that to dry up. I'm just going to go in with my Vaseline. You guys know that I really like this Vaseline. It's my go-to Vaseline. So I got this brush for my skin prep, so you guys can get it that way. Don't get me wrong, if you don't have this brush, it's not a must. You can use your hand. In my previous video I used my hand, but all you just need to make sure is that your hands are clean before using it. You need to wash your hand because you don't want to be transferring bacteria from your hand to your face. So I got this hydrating makeup base from Nuban Beauty, so we are just going to apply it straight on my face. Pardon me, this is wrong, I know. One thing about makeup is that things keep changing every time. If you look at makeup 5 years ago, you realize that it's not makeup now. Everything keeps changing, so you need to keep up with the trend. You need to keep up with the updates if you want your makeup to be banging. The next thing I want to use is my primer. So like I said, if you remember my last video, this was not the primer I was using. I've updated my game. I've stepped up. You to step up, level up, like the brother would say. Yeah, I should level up. Don't get me wrong, there are other makeup products. If you don't have them, you don't have to get exactly this one I am using. There are other makeup products, so you just have to get the one that is close to you or the one that is available. But if you want to go extra mile, you can always go for the best. So that is what I'm trying to do now. I don't just want to buy any products anymore. So So you also wait for that to, if you touch my face now, like you can feel the moisture, like you can feel like it's hydrated. So that's what your makeup needs. So you want your makeup to be really, you want your skin prep to be 100% before you go ahead with your makeup. After applying my primer, I need to apply my mattifying primer according to the name, mattifying. Do you understand? So I got this mattifying makeup base from Nuban Beauty. So for this mattifying base, you want to apply to those areas you sweat more. So those areas you sweat more. So those are the areas you're going to apply it on. So I sweat more on my mustache, I sweat on my chin, I sweat on my forehead, I sweat on my nose, Then you can just put it on your face generally, because you sweat everywhere. Honestly, it's just that there are some places where you sweat more, so you just need to like apply this primer there. So you just kind of like also like massage that onto your skin as well. Oh, sorry guys. I use this sweat and oil block. So this I'm going to use it with my cotton pad. It's just to apply it on those areas where you know that you sweat a lot. It's nothing too serious. So it's just to apply it on those areas. So after allowing your makeup to dry, you use this hydrating mist as the last thing again. I know you'll be like, oh, but you apply some mattifying base, you want it to be like, if you understand what matte means, I mean something that is very, very dry, that I don't know how to explain. But we all know what matte is. So in as much as you want your face to be mattified, English. In as much as you want your face to be mattified, you also want to keep it hydrated. Do you understand? So I'm going to go last with this to just make your face hydrated and to hold your makeup in place. So guys, that's the end of my skin prep. Can you see that this is very, very simple as compared to the previous one I did? It wasn't too hard. That one too was simple, but this makes life easy. You can remove this if you wash your face, and you just like, if you don't sweat, you can remove this. And by the way, this skin prep I did is for a combination skin. Like I said, my skin is a combination skin. I'm not doing oily for oily or for dry skin. So if your skin is you're in between, you're not sure if you sweat, you're not sure if your face is dry. But some people, their face is not completely dry, while their face is not completely sweaty or oily. So this is like a combination skin makeup prep, and that's what I have just done for you guys. You don't need too much, just these few things, you are good to go, and your makeup is going to last. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. You guys should please do what you're seeing on the screen. Kindly like, share, subscribe, share my videos to your loved ones, do whatever to make my video more popular. The like and subscription button is free. Kindly do it, it's free. Please do it, you don't need to pay. And don't also forget to drop a comment in the section below. Tell me what you think about this makeup prep. Let's see you in my next video. Bye.